Hello parents, so I just have a few quick reminders for tomorrow in order to make everything run smoothly. For our first reminder, we're going to talk about the costumes. So please do not travel in the costumes. Make sure to plan extra time to change once you get to the church, meaning you should get there at least at 2:45. Also, please make sure they're steamed. Make sure that you bring a button up to cover up the costumes for when they're snacking in the green room. Please make sure the level A's bow is tied nicely. I will provide a link in a Google Docs that will be sent in the Remind 101. For the level A's, the flower should go on the right side of their head. For the level B's, the diamond hairpiece should be in the center. And make sure all the laces are tucked in and tights have no holes and they are footed. So for tomorrow's schedule, we will have a 15-minute grace period. That means they should still be sitting on stage at 3 p.m., but we have 15 minutes to make sure everyone is ready to go, and if there's any emergencies or delays along the way, we're not starting without some of the kids. After that, we'll do a group stretch. This will be closed to parents, and we will have a few parents in the green room helping with fixing any hair or makeup issues that arise. After that, the hope is that we will have a 15-minute picture opportunity. As stated during the dress rehearsal, this is a chance for you to take your child out, take a picture, and then bring them right back. If anything is running behind, at this point we will take away the picture opportunity. So let's make sure that we're on time in order to give you guys a chance to get some photos before the night gets too late. And then for parents, the doors will open at 4:30. At this point you can find your seats. Please do not save any seats. It's first come, first serve. And at this point, you will also be able to go and get your food and get settled before the performance starts. At 5 p.m., we will have the recital begin. And it is estimated that the recital will end at 7:30. Next, for the makeup, just one more time, the foundation should be one shade lighter. One shade darker. Let me fix that right now. One shade darker. There should be blush, and then a brown smoky eyeshadow, mascara, a light pink lipstick, and you can wear a gloss on top of that if you would like. Then eyelashes are optional, and if you would like to fill in their eyebrows, that is optional as well. Next, tomorrow we will be setting up at 9:30, so I would sincerely appreciate your help if you guys are willing to come and set up tablecloths, centerpieces, fold programs, and set up the photo booth and our food tables. I'm not thinking this will take very long. I assume that we can get out of there by at least 12:30, 1 o'clock. I'm asking one more time if we could get a volunteer to go pick up the catering. That way we can have warm food instead. Right now, I would be picking up the food at 2 p.m., meaning that it would sit there until about 4:30. If I have a volunteer to pick it up, though, we can change that pickup time so that we have warm food for everyone to enjoy. Next, I have finished the program, and in that Google Doc that I mentioned earlier, I will add a link for parents to go and check, make sure I'm not missing any kids, make sure that there's no errors, and just kind of do a proofread for me. I'd really appreciate that. I'm going to be printing the programs at 10 a.m., so at that time, there will be no more additions or corrections. So, I have had a lot of questions about the live stream. Today I talked to my director and some other elders from our church about copyright information and concerns, and because of that, the standing rule is that each family can have one copy for themselves, but it should not be distributed. With that being said, we cannot have a live stream available for family members or other people who are living far away. This is because at that point it's distribution and we could get in a lot of trouble for that. So because of that, the link will be provided in the program and you can see that at a later date. The only rule standing, it is one copy per family and it should not be copied. So it shouldn't be posted to Facebook, should not be sent to relatives. It can be kept for yourself and yourself only. And some courtesy tips for the recital is there's no reserving seats. You're more than welcome to bring flowers, but those should be given to your dancer after the performance. As we had mentioned with the tickets, your ticket is your chance to get food, or it's your ticket for food. So if it has a red stamp on the back, that means that you are okayed and ready to go to get food. If it does not have a red stamp, that is simply a keepsake, and it should not be used for receiving food. At that point, we will make a line for our food, and there will be someone at the front of the line checking to make sure that each ticket has a red stamp. So there is also no re-entry during each dance, meaning when there is a dancer up on stage, in order to prevent distractions, we're going to have all of the audience wait outside the doors, and once that routine is over, those people are welcome to come back in and find their seats. Two more things. Students will not be released early, as we have mentioned. Also, students will not be released without the matching sticker to the adult. And finally, please no flash photography. This could provide a distraction to our dancers, and that's the last thing we want to do. So thank you very much. Like I had said, tomorrow I will not be on my phone very often, so if you have any questions, I would ask before 10:30. After that, there's no promises that I'll get to them before that. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow.